It's a sad day.
Sad day. We're leaving, Patty.
We are leaving beautiful Paris. Oh my gosh, you guys. Can you even believe? Look at this view. I'm going to be quiet so you can just hear the sounds of Paris this morning. Is this just not like a little fairy tale? I still can't get over it. Look, that's the little restaurant where we ate. So again, we are staying at Hotel Splendid, and I do have to say it has been splendid, but it is the most quaint little place. Obviously an amazing location. We have had a wonderful time here. The staff has been amazing. The rooms are beautiful. I gotta show you guys again. I didn't even notice this last time. Look at the little flowers on the carpet in here, and then they have flowers up on the headboard. Just the most dreamy Paris room you could ever think of. The mirrors, the paintings, the cute little desk, and I mean the view, you just can't get better than that. So we are getting all packed up. Jared is all ready to go.
That's right, baby.
So
going to Barcelona. Hola.
I was gonna say, even though it's sad leaving Paris,
Buen dia.
we are headed to Barcelona, Spain. We are gonna be there for one night before we get on our Mediterranean cruise tomorrow.
And I'm wearing shorts.
Yeah.
Yes.
He does have the shoes on still.
Still got the shoes, yeah.
Still the shoes.
Still a teeny bit chilly here.
Man, well, actually outside today, it's like in the 70s. It's a beautiful day today. I'm gonna go up and get some pictures of my mom and dad on their balcony, a little video just for the memories. Of course, how can you not? And then we're gonna go grab something to eat.
Bonjour. Here we are in Paris.
Oh, it's a sad day.
It's a sad day because we're leaving.
We're leaving the beautiful city.
Yes.
Paris.
And we love it. Hooray.
I know, I had to come up and get some pictures of my cute parents in their Paris room, you guys. This is the cutest little room. Their room's blue and white and orange. Ours is green.
Really?
Yes.
So Paris is big on colors.
I know.
And we went to some of these museums like Versailles.
Yeah.
And those kings, every room was a different color.
I know.
I didn't know there were that many colors. Here's our balcony.
You want to take one last look? Oh,
I do.
Look at those Paris sights just beyond. You guys, I love the doors right here.
Yes.
They're like a latch.
Oh, that one opens too. I haven't opened that one.
You haven't opened this one?
No, I've just been using the other one.
The other one.
Yes, there's two, pretty.
There's two.
Do we want to grab this one?
Yeah, let's grab this one. So cute. Oh, this way, madame.
There's you guys.
Wow, Mom.
What do you think?
It's amazing. Here's my cute mom on our last day in Paris.
In our balcony, you guys, overlooking the little Paris streets.
I know, look how cute this is. We've just been looking at all the little balconies with like the flowers in them.
Yes, look at the beautiful day.
Oh,
The bakery, little restaurant we ate at.
it's hard to say goodbye. The beautiful arc right there.
I mean, when you can see that arch every morning
I know.
out your window, you know you're in Paris.
It's amazing. You guys, this has been the cutest little hotel. This is Hotel Splendid.
Yes, I would totally recommend it to everybody.
Quaint little place, beautiful location.
Perfect location
Beautiful
for everything.
rooms, obviously.
Yeah, and they're really nice, and everything's so clean.
Yes.
Yes,
Been
I
on.
loved that.
It's been amazing. So I'm gonna hurry and get some pictures of my parents out here before we check out. Because
Yes.
I mean, how can you not?
Goodbye, Paris.
Oh,
We're so sad, but we're so grateful we could be here.
We love Paris.
Oh, we love Paris.
We love
It is
Paris.
a great, great city.
It really is. It's called the Little New York of Europe.
It is such a beautiful city. My cute parents, we just got some pictures of them out here. Had to. I mean, you guys, look at that backdrop.
Yes.
It is gorgeous. You two matched too. Did you plan that?
Yes.
Oh, you did. Well, it looks great. You guys are a little too cute. All right. Well, how do we say goodbye in French? Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Merci beaucoup for
Merci
joining us.
beaucoup. That is right.
So last time walking out of the Hotel Splendid Itole, or I have no idea how you pronounce that.
What a splendid time it was.
Hey, we highly recommend this hotel, just saying. It was amazing. It's a little bit more costly, we're gonna be bluntly honest, but it's because you're located in this area.
In Paris, it is just a little more expensive than
Yeah.
the city, and so, but compared to other ones, like it's actually
It's
pretty
awesome
decently
though.
priced.
It is seriously amazing. You're just right next to the Arc. You got amazing restaurants literally right across the street. Try the duck there, it's delicious.
It's not super crowded.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, you can see right here.
All right, we are off to a bakery right now to get some grub right before our flight. This is why we like it. Our hotel's literally there, and that's the Arc. Seriously, an amazing location. We love it. Okay, so now to get to the bakery, you can actually cut underneath the road right here, this huge like roundabout, by going through the tunnel. So you go through the tunnel and it's a straight shot all the way over. This tunnel is actually pretty darn cool. In fact, it's been in a ton of movies.
That's really cool.
This is a very, very cool tunnel. So the line today to get into the Arc is like mega long.
Don't come on a Saturday afternoon.
Let's just say it is packed.
We went at sunset and there was like, we didn't wait in line at all.
I'd highly recommend going at sunset because there's no line and it's a far better view. The tunnel's getting pretty low.
My dad gonna hit his head.
And just like that, we're on the other side of the Arc, baby.
Now we are heading on to one of those famous shopping streets in Paris, the Champs-Élysées.
Yeah, I don't know either. This is the street, baby. Here on a Saturday, it is packed. Yeah, baby, Betty! This is just good fortune right now. We had to stop because of traffic. It's like a very tiny like spot where you can stop at, and we're right dead center with the Arc.
Last time crossing the street in front of the Arc.
All right, if you happen to be on the street, you're just looking for like a quick grab and go for like snacks or whatever you want, you gotta come to this public market right here.
So it's called the Public Drug Store. I think you can sit down and eat, it looks like outside, or we've been told you can just grab stuff inside as well. So we're gonna go check it out, see what it's all about. In the tunnel, all the benches upstairs outside were taken, so we get to listen to the music being played. Eating my croissant, and you guys, it is buttery and flaky and everything you imagine when you come to Paris. My mom's eating her cinnamon. Oh my gosh, pastry, ditto on Britty. Oh, it's amazing, so good.
I had some fruit, I'm having some salami.
Salami and fruit. My dad got a mushroom quiche and a chorizo pastry. Very good.
And I got this drink, I have no idea what it is, but I can't wait to try it.
But it's cool down here, we're listening to music. Perfect little spot. Oh, you guys, so lucky. Look at that. I wish I could share this with all of you right now. So good. Okay, we made it back to our hotel. We are waiting just for our Uber now. I had to show you the inside. So this is like the lobby area. There's a little bar back here. Down that way is where you can eat breakfast. It's just like the most quaint little Paris boutique hotel. I mean, look at the furniture and everything. They have the French newspapers right here when you walk in. So we are taking an Uber van to the airport. It's about an hour drive, so we just called the Uber and then we will be on our way. calling our name.
Woo. Buenos tardes.
Oh, we made it to Barcelona.
And we are so excited. We're also a little bit hungry, so we stopped off. Well, first we saw these really awesome vending machines that offered a slew of like different snacks I've never seen before.
Salamis, cheeses.
Salami, cheeses.
These meat sandwiches.
Full-on sandwiches.
Like, I want vending machines like that in the States.
Yeah, but we ended up not getting any of that. We ended up just getting some French fries.
Okay, that is
Yeah.
hilarious. We actually saw, we got empanadas.
Yeah.
They actually look divine, but we're gonna hurry and get our luggage and then eat them on the way to the hotel.
About to walk into our little pad. I know.
Club, I mean hotel.
Seriously, it looks like a club in here.
It smells amazing in
Yeah.
here. And I have to say, so we're at the Grand Hyatt Barcelona, and it's a little outside of like the main touristy part of the city, but we got an amazing deal on it.
Yeah, crazy good deal. And they were super nice. They upgraded our rooms.
Yeah, they upgraded it. They give you like lemon water when you get in.
That was
They were
after
so
I gave
friendly.
Lauren's credit card.
They were so friendly.
Yeah, they're super friendly.
But that's a little tip because most of the hotels right by the cruise port were like double the price as this, which is crazy. Let's see this. Oh.
Ooh.
Your room?
We're right next door to you guys.
Come in. Oh.
Keep it down, you two.
I was going to carry her across the
Threshold.
Yeah.
decided I couldn't.
Wow, this is cool.
Oh, this is cool.
Everything's so sleek. This is pretty. Look at that. That's
Oh, that's awesome.
look at
That's
this
the ocean
over
right there.
See the ocean? There's some castle over there on the hill.
That is
Or
cool.
Basilica. All right, we just got into our room here in Barcelona. I cannot believe we're in Barcelona right now.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy
so
to think about that
crazy.
we're like in another country. Like we woke up in another country earlier this morning. Now we're in another one.
Now we're in Barcelona. It's so cool how things are so close together here.
Yeah.
But you guys, this hotel is awesome. I just flip around the camera. This
Yeah.
is one of the cutest bathrooms I think I've ever seen.
Seriously, like super cute.
Look at
It is. Look at that. Look at that.
Super cute. Look at these doors though. Okay,
Yeah.
ready? And then you just push them open and it's like
Oh.
a giant mirror.
That's like every man's like just dream bathroom. Double doors, more doors. That way you go to the bathroom, sitting on the throne.
I mean, it is see-through. That's not ideal.
Oh, that is perfect though. It's floor to ceiling. Ah, that is perfect.
telling my mom-
That's why when I'm doing my business, you know.
I was telling my mom and dad, I go, enjoy the size of this shower because
Yeah.
it's not going to be like that on the cruise.
The cruise showers are about what? Here to there?
Yeah, I said it's
Here to
going to
there.
about here, which is totally
They
fine.
are teeny.
But you guys, I
Look at
feel-
this. This
that
is a really nice bathroom.
But that is one of my biggest tips when kind of just looking at hotels down near the cruise port. We're about 15 minutes away from the cruise port. It's not like super far, maybe 20
Yeah, no.
at most. We're gonna just take a
Hi.
Uber ride. But this was literally like $200 less than most
Yes.
of the
Oh,
maybe
way
3-star
cheaper.
hotels down there because they just jack up the prices
Yeah.
around cruise time. So
Seriously.
maybe on the night before the cruise, stay outside of the city a little bit and
Yeah.
save a little money that way.
That's what you
and
need to
there's
do.
some beautiful hotels here.
Ooh.
We got some robes and
Yeah,
slippers.
yeah. Putting those on.
What's in this one?
Ooh.
mini fridge.
Is it a mini fridge?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
You guys, that Red Bull's calling my name.
Finger discount.
Good thing
Just
it's
joking.
nighttime. I am starting to feel jet lag a little bit
I know.
today. It's starting
This
to kick
is
in.
a good size room.
You guys, we got a nice big bed, which is awesome. Just the decor here, it's
That
so, like,
is a big
moody,
bed.
and it does
It is
kinda
moody.
make me feel like Spain, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, like this.
Is that what Spain's like?
Yeah, no, look at the TV. It's
That is a
flush with this
great,
wood wall
yeah.
right here.
It's just a cool vibe in here.
It is. And
Very
then,
cool vibe.
The view, hello Barcelona, hola. Look how cool, we can see the ocean right over there. There's like a hillside with some basilica or something
Yeah,
up
very
there
cool.
on the hill. So it's really, really cool. So we just talked with my parents. We're all a little tired. It's almost 9 p.m. now.
Yeah,
I know it's weird because it's still light outside. The sunset doesn't go down here till like 10.
which is nuts.
It's so crazy, but also kind of fun because then
Yeah.
it feels like you have more time. But we are kind of hungry, so we just checked with the hotel. They have an awesome tapas restaurant here, which Barcelona is known for tapas. So I think we're gonna go down, hang outside
I
by
want
the
some
pool,
tapas.
and get some yummy food.
Yes.